What I'd like to do is welcome you all again for a day and a half of amazing lectures. We have a lot of negativity in the profession, and I want to change that starting today.
Been a lot of non-clinical lectures, and that's been quite interesting.
I love the theme of positivity, and actually that you're not the only one that has that fear. And,
in a different way.
you know, the fact that it is diverse is brilliant.
Actually been very engaging, very thought-provoking.
The trainer not getting
empowering, I feel quite motivated to get back to practice and speak to people. Down in the staff room.
Younger graduates who might be finding the current environment that they're practicing quite challenging. Inspire them.
We used to have quite a lot of our exams behind us.
All day, I promise.
It's all good.
Is good for the soul from a friendship point of view, and health and well-being and mental health and well-being.
Slow hand piece, slightly wet.
As a postgraduate retired dentist, I'm attending the meeting because I have to know the answers to the questions.
Still got it made, and he's allowed me to borrow it.
That kind of brings us on to next. So, how do we react as human beings?
Training.
So we've got all these formal bits to make the day more exciting and to highlight little aspects of it. But nothing was lost in terms of who does.
It's quite strange. Love is a very small world. Everybody. Queen Mary and Barts of the London Dental School is such an amazing place. And when I come back here, I always feel really at home. I meet all my friends and colleagues that I've known for many years. It's having a recognition. Thank you very much. Really good time. It's just really amazing.
We stick to the true core values of dentistry and putting the patients first.
To make sure that you keep that journey going in terms of your own development so that you can become the dentist that you really want to be.